In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Semrush subscription and free trial. If you're looking to manage your Semrush account and perhaps rethink your subscription, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you do it right without any hiccups. First things first, let's start by heading over to the Semrush website. You can easily find it by typing in Semrush in your search engine, or if you prefer, just go directly to semrush.com. This is where you'll find all the tools and resources Semrush offers. But today, our focus is on managing your account. Once you're on the website, locate the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Use the same credentials you used when you created your account and sign in. After logging in, you should see the Semrush homepage. From there, navigate to your profile. The profile option can generally be found by clicking on your account icon, again, often located at the top right corner of the screen. It's your personal hub on Semrush, where you can manage different aspects of your account. Now that you're in your profile, look for an option called Subscription Info. This is where Semrush provides all the details about your current plan, whether it's a free trial or a paid subscription. Click on Subscription Info to proceed. Once you're in the subscription information section, go through the details to ensure you're in the right place. In this area, you'll find options related to your billing and subscription. Depending on your specific account status, you might see choices to pause, adjust, or cancel your plan. To cancel your subscription, look for any Cancel Subscription link or button. This might be at the bottom of the page or under specific options related to your current billing plan. Click it. You may be prompted to confirm your decision. Read any instructions carefully, as you may be required to fill in a survey or provide feedback. And there you have it. Once confirmed, your subscription or trial will be set to cancel. Make sure you receive a confirmation email from Semrush about the cancellation to ensure everything went smoothly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, canceling a subscription is a big decision, so consider your options. Perhaps contacting Semrush support if you need further assistance or exploring other plans they might offer. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.